Penicillin, the first antibiotic. In 1928, Alexander Fleming was researching bacteria in his lab. He left a petri dish out by mistake and went on vacation. When he returned, he noticed that fungus had grown on the dish and the bacteria around it were completely gone. That fungus was Penicillium notatum, and it became the world's first antibiotic, penicillin. It saved millions of lives by fighting infections, especially during World War II. If Fleming had cleaned his lab, we might have missed this game-changer medicine. A lazy cleanup led to a medical revolution. Microwave oven. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working on radar technology. While testing a magnetron, he noticed something weird. The chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Weird. He tests it further by placing popcorn near the device, and it popped. Then he placed an egg which exploded. Spencer realized microwaves could cook food fast. By the 1970s, microwave ovens were in kitchens everywhere. A totally random snack accident turned into a kitchen essential. Teflon, the non-stick coating. In 1938, a chemist named Roy Plunkett was trying to create a new refrigerant gas but left a sample in a canister overnight. Next day, one of the gas canisters he used stopped working. When he opened it, he found a slippery white powder stuck inside. That powder turned out to be polytetrafluoroethylene, or PTFE, later branded as Teflon. Today, it's the reason your frying pans are non-stick. A failed gas experiment changed how we cook forever. X-rays. In 1895, physicist Wilhelm Röntgen was playing with cathode ray tubes, shooting electrons in a glass vacuum. One night, he noticed a nearby screen glowing, even though it was not supposed to. Then, he put his hand in front, bam! He saw his bones. He had accidentally discovered a new type of invisible ray that could pass through human flesh but not bone. He called them X-rays because he didn't know what they were. Within weeks, X-rays were being used in hospitals to see inside the human body for the first time. Synthetic dye, purple changed everything. In 1856, William Perkin was trying to make a malaria drug. Instead, he ended up with a dark purple sludge. Most people would have tossed it, but Perkin realized it could dye fabric a rich purple color, something rare and expensive at the time. This mistake led to the birth of the synthetic dye industry, which later fueled the rise of modern chemistry, textiles, and even pharmaceuticals. From failed drug to fashion revolution. LSD, hallucinogen. In 1938, Swiss chemist Albert Hofmann was working on a fungal drug to treat circulatory system problems. One day, while handling that compound called LSD, he accidentally got a tiny bit on his skin. Suddenly, he's on a wild bike ride home, seeing colors and patterns like a psychedelic cartoon. Colors, sounds, and emotions all warped. LSD would go on to influence not just medicine, but also culture, music, and even CIA experiments.